वेलकम बैक टू लर्न एट होम, घर पर सीखो। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं बताने वाली हूँ हाउ टू मेक अ झालर विच विल बी यूज्ड फॉर द फेस्टिवल इन दिवाली, electric light jhalars. It is very simple to make in house, and it's a science experiment for the children also, which they can do in this festival. They can learn how to make a jhalar. So first, I have collected these Lysol caps. These are the Lysol bottle cap, which you can collect it around how many numbers you want. Currently, I am showing for the 4 numbers because I have 4 bulbs. And so first make a hole by uh, either hammering by nails, or you can make it by hot nails. Just go to near to the gas, make it little hot and make a hole. After putting the hole, we will put the wire from the inside. These wires you can buy from any electrical shops. Also with bulb it is coming. So generally this bulb and wire used for the science experiment. So you can see now. So like that you can make 4 bulbs ready with this bulb size caps. And now we will connect first wires in the series. So connect red wire with the yellow wire like that, jointed. Okay. So one red wire should be connected to another bulb, yellow wire, right, like that you have to make the series connection. Okay. So this series connection generally you will study into class 7th 8th. Now we will connect with the battery. So there are two ends of the wire left. Black one we will connect with the yellow wire, and the red one we will connect with the red wire. So you can see now. So if your battery is functioning properly, so it will work. And just check, any wire should not be loose, it should be tied properly, and then put a connection. So if your battery is not working properly, you have to change the battery. Just check, this is the way you can check it. So I am connecting with another battery. Okay, now you can see here. So see, now check all the 4 bulbs are working, and this is the way you can join n number of bulbs. And also, in place of using the battery, you can make one plug connections and you can put into the electric boards. But be careful, take your parents help, and wherever we are joining, just put the tape there, so your jhalars will be ready. So like that you have to make the jhalar for your Diwali, because now Diwali is coming very soon, and you can start preparing for your Diwali festival in your house itself. So this is the way, like that children can do the science experiment. Also they can do some work for the Diwali decoration. Thank you. Thanks.